Hello everyone, today I have my Oceaneva watch Pro Dive Deep Marine Explorer GMT quartz movement, size 42 mm. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I'm not going to do a full review or anything like that, just an initial quick glance around. So this is my first time opening it. Let's take a look. Unfortunately, it did arrive kind of late. I ordered it on the 24th. Today is the 5th of December. Of course, it's not an Oceaneva problem. That's a mail service problem. And again, I understand given everything that's been happening last few years. So let's take a look. Just a double package, which I guess is a good thing. So here it goes. Oh, it's already opened. And just like I thought, I guess for the lower end watches, they're going to send it in a case like this. I kind of already knew a few days after I ordered it. I mean, I guess not a bad thing, but I would have liked the full-blown diver's case, but it is what it is. So let's take a look. A little pouch. Let's unwrap it. Oh, this is new. Oh, there we go. Oceaneva cloth, warranty cards. Oh, wow. I'm glad how they actually filled that out. I appreciate that. Oh, some instructions. Here we go. And also details of the watch. Swiss Ronda movement. I've used that movement before. Really nice. I like that. Tool for pins. Here we go. There she goes. Oceaneva Deep Marine Explorer GMT quartz movement. It feels really like a nice weight. It's not cheap. So far, it doesn't feel cheap on the hand. I'm not going to take the plastic off right now, but it looks really nice. Let's do a quick loom shoot. Give me a second. You probably can't see too well, but yeah, I might have to give me a second. Yeah, it's a little hard to see for since I'm in the daylight, but I can already tell it's gonna be a good loom. I haven't heard any complaints. It was the BGW9 Super Lumen Swiss Luminova loom. Really nice. So there you have it. Let me know what you think. If you want to get a Oceaneva watch, please check out the link below. Use my code GROWWITHRICH for 10% off your purchase, and you can use it at any time. You can do it 50 times if you want to. Again, use code GROWWITHRICH and get you an Oceaneva watch, and let me know what you think. Like and subscribe to this video. I appreciate it. Thank you.